Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to duplicate your Shopify store. So let's get started. First, we have to make sure that if you are migrating orders, then Shopify should not send out any emails to the customers automatically. So we have to disable automatic order fulfillment. So go into your store admin page, go to your Shopify admin page and click on the settings button. And after that, click on the checkout button. And on this page, find the section that says order processing. So now you have to make sure that after an order has been paid, it has to be set to do not automatically fulfill any of the orders line items. After checking that option, we have to move over to disable staff order notifications. For that, again, we have to go to the settings and click on the notifications button and find the section called staff order notifications. Now under the recipients, we have to disable notifications to any recipients there are. Do not delete the recipient so that you can enable these notifications after finishing the migration. Now we have to set up the locations. So go to your Shopify admin page and then click on the settings button and click on the locations button in both of your stores. And now make sure that the location section in the new store has the same locations as the original store. Now we have to start from exporting our existing store. So we will do it through the Matrixify application. In the Matrixify app homepage, in the export section, click on the new export button, and this will open a new export page. On this page, select items that you wish to clone to your new store. It is preferred to select the Matrixify CSV format if you are exporting a lot of data. But if you know that you will be editing data before importing, then select the Matrixify Excel format. Now after that, we have to select all the things that you are going to clone. And now you have to click on the export button. Now when the export has finished, press that green download exported file button to get your Shopify data as a zip or Excel file. After that, import the zip or Excel file. If you want to copy the contents of one of your Shopify store to another, you even don't have to look inside that file. Just go to your new Shopify store and install the Matrixify application there. And now in the import section of the app, upload your previously exported files. When you upload that zip or Excel file, the app will analyze it and show you all the zip file, CSV files or Excel sheets it found inside and how many items it found in each sheet. Then press the blue import button to start the import. Now go check your Shopify store clone. Now notice that the store name is different, URL is different. No, it's not different, it's all the same. So that's how you can clone or duplicate your Shopify store. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.